these two oils.
I'm so excited.
Hey guys, it's Sunkissed Nick. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an update on the Canvas Blossom Serum versus the Wild Growth Oil. So if you'd like to see the update, stay with me. So guys, it's been a week since I started using the two growth oils on my natural virgin 4C hair. I know that's a very quick turnaround, but I wanted to jump on quickly and give you an update because immediately is when I start to feel the effects of products that I place on my scalp. Because I have psoriasis, I have to be very careful with the products that I use on my scalp for obvious reasons. Sometimes with psoriasis, your scalp has open patches on it or flaky, itchy patches, just irritated in general. So you just have to be a little selective in the products that you use. So I'm hoping for awesome results. I mean, wouldn't it be extraordinary? I mean, oh my gosh, it would be so amazing if both of these products actually lived up to the hype. I would be thrilled. And I'm sure that others who get awesome results would just find both companies to be honest and forthright with their product messaging. So for this experiment, I'm definitely doing my part, meaning I am following the manufacturer's instructions. I mean, I am following these directions to a T, no deviation. I know that I can be so hard-headed. You know, that's just the Virgo in me. I know it is. But this time around, I'm being a good girl. I'm gonna follow it 100%. So these two products, I am using them for 6 to 8 weeks. I am currently using the Canvas Hair Blossom Serum on the right side of my head, and I'm using the Wild Growth Hair Oil on the left side of my head. I started a week ago exactly. The directions say that I should use it every day or every other day, and that's what I've been doing. So the first day that I used it, I believe, was Sunday, and then I followed up on Wednesday, and now I'm using it again today for the third time. For the Wild Growth Oil, I've only used it once, the day that I created the initial video, but that is what the directions state. The directions state that you should use it once a week and then gradually increase to 3 times a week. Now, today will be the second time that I'm applying this product to the left side of my scalp. So I plan to use it today, and then this upcoming week, I plan to use it a second time. And then next week, I will increase to 3 times. So as I stated in the initial video that you can view here, I'll link it in the cards above. The Canvas Beauty Serum, I don't think it's expensive at all, but compared to the Wild Growth Oil, it is on the expensive side. I'm not going crazy over the difference in the price or anything like that. I'm mentioning it as fact. Neither one of these have a sweet scent at all. This one is the stronger smell. The scent lingers a little bit longer than the Canvas Beauty. It does go away. Not completely, but it's not unbearable at all. The Canvas is thicker. The Wild Growth Oil is a runnier consistency, but it's okay because you're supposed to massage it into your scalp and also pull it through, you know, to the ends of your hair, just the same as you're to do with the Canvas Beauty. So it's more of a massaging application versus just put it on and go. In the previous video, I did measure my hair length and I recorded the measurements, and I'll be able to look back and review those numbers and just see where I started. And if you want to see that starting point again, you can refer to the video so that you'll know more of my journey. You'll be with me from the start and you can follow me on and see where I end up. So I'm not using anything else in particular for growth or anything like that. No longer using biotin, and I only take my multivitamin every day. I also take a separate vitamin C. What else? I massage my scalp, and I don't do it every day. I just massage my scalp on wash day, so that's typically once a week, sometimes through the week when I think about it, not regularly, as I said. I also take my iron supplement regularly, but aside from water and exercise. Oh, before I forget, there is one other thing that I'm doing, and I recommend that you do it too. So I've affixed a hook on the side of my headboard so that I don't have to get up through the middle of the night if I should forget to put on my scarf, and I'll show you. So on the hook, I have a bonnet and I have a couple of headscarf options, and it makes it so much simpler. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I didn't do this in the past, because many nights I remember to put on my to put on my bonnet or head covering or whatever. Many nights I remember to do that, but I'm either too dead tired or simply too lazy to get up and go to my head covering stash and just get something and cover my hair. This way I can just roll over, grab it, get what I need, back to dreamland in a couple of minutes. Easy breezy. I'm not taking down the flat twist and protective style. So if you were expecting another length check today, I don't know what to tell you, because
it's not happening today, sis. Sorry, it's not happening today.
So let's get on with it, because I've been talking long enough, right? I know. So my hair is kind of parted off center, but for the most part, I do have a line of demarcation here down the middle and all the way down through the back. So I'm just going through each flat twist and just squeezing the bottle as I go. Let me show you how well this comes out of the bottle. It comes out in one straight line, and yeah. And I'm using this because we're not wasting product. Get that all massaged in nice and neatly, because I really don't want to over disturb my protective style. Go in with some more here. The directions specifically include information about using this for protective styling. Getting this back section very well. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit more so I can make sure that I get the ends specific, so I can get this flat part of this flat twist. Putting it just on top. Gravity is going to help it fall and get to my scalp. I'm going to also help it out like this. Easy breezy. When I apply this, I don't feel anything on my scalp at all. I think that's pretty good. Going in with the wild growth oil on the left side. I do want to grow my hair and everything. I want growth that I can retain. Just a healthy head of hair. And I know that it's not all about the products that you put on your hair, on your scalp. None of that as far as growth is concerned. But, you know, I know that I have to do other things in addition to just slathering this product and that product on my hair. You know, I have to do my part too. It's more to it than just putting stuff on your hair for growth. Get this back section. So if I didn't say it earlier, when I have a flare up of my psoriasis, I'm concerned that either of these products could irritate my scalp. But so far, so good. Haven't had any irritation from either of these products. My scalp has been feeling amazing, actually. So I'm very happy about that. I'm pleased, and hopefully that will continue on. Fingers crossed, huh? Trial and error sometimes. The final point that I want to make is that I will be wearing protective style for the next 6 to 8 weeks. In particular, because my ends are atrocious right now. Damn! I really should have trimmed my ends prior to starting this challenge, but I didn't, so I won't cry over spilled milk, and don't you either, okay? For my trim, I'll definitely get that done at the conclusion of this challenge. All right, so I'm just gonna brush my hair back in place the best that I can. And I'm not going to cover my hair immediately. I'm going to let it breathe, and I'll tie my hair down just before bed tonight, and
with my scarf on the hook by the bed. That won't be any problem at all.
I know, it's the little things that we can do sometimes that help to change our habits for the better, and this scarf on the hook, definitely one of those things for me personally. So that's all that I have for you today. It was very good to see you all today, virtually speaking, of course. If you're not subscribed to this channel, I hope that you'll subscribe. If you found something that you can take away from this channel, if you found just simple enjoyment from my personality, I hope that you will subscribe. I hope you enjoy the rest of your 24 while I continue to do a little of this and a little of that. Until next time, I'm Sunkissed Nick, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye. Click the link above for another classy, sassy hair tutorial or a session of Sunkissed Says.